Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL 408 and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So the soft reset or forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason the screen in your device freezes and you have no idea what to do. You cannot tap on anything. You can try to force restart it. You have to press the power button long enough until you will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press it. And ignore, of course, everything. We can tap on the restart, but let's pretend that the screen does not work and I cannot do that. As you can see, the screen turns black, it vibrates, and here we've got the developer's logo, which simply means that we just successfully soft reset it. Right now, we just have to wait until it will be switched on, and hopefully it will work normally after this operation. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.